Hello friends, today I am going to record a video and show you an unboxing experience of this product DJI Pocket 3 Osmo Pocket 3. And for recording this video I am going to use my newly bought mic, this mic Holyland, this model. Okay, so let's connect it. Unit, and as you see it is connected. Let's see unboxing. This is our new camera DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it was an open box delivery, so I cannot show you the unboxing experience. Let's see what came with this charging cable. This is the battery unit. Let's open. How to open this? Okay, I think I have to. Okay, press here and it comes out. This is the battery unit. We can charge it using Type-C cable, and it gets connected like this, and this also came separately, strap, and this is what it's about. This paperwork also came. Okay, so let's connect it again. I think it goes like this. Okay, and this is how it gets secure. I have to press this, and now let's power it on. Okay, see the quality. This is portrait, and this is how I can okay, this one has no SD card. Let's put an SD card into it. I'm going to use this SD card. Let's see, the SD card slot is here, so let's put it. I think all of this is like this. Okay, I have successfully put the SD card and it is ready for recording. Okay, gimbal rotated, gimbal. Okay, let's take our first photo. Oh, photo. Okay, and now let's do this. Wow, that's fantastic. Can you see this? Okay, now let's do video. Okay, hello guys, this is the new video, camera testing. This is the field of view I'm getting. Okay, see the stabilization. Okay, let's see what this camera sees. Okay, that's all for this video.